Now students, we will do question number 5 of exercise 5th A. Question number 5 is arrange in columns and subtract. Question A, B, C, D, E, F are given here in question number 5. We will arrange these number into columns, separate column, and then we will subtract. So take out your notebook and we will do the question number 5. Question number 5 is here. Arrange in columns and subtract. The A question of question number 5 is 72,569 minus 30,254. You will write number in each column. 72,569 minus 30,254. Now you will subtract. From here, ones place. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now question B. Question B is 18,697 minus 5,264. So you will write each digit in each column. 18,697 minus 5,264. Now you will subtract from here. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 1 here. Now question C. Question C is 86,473 minus 84,132. So question C is here. 86,473 minus 84,132. You will write number here and then you will subtract. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now question D. Question D is here. 8,65,485 minus 5,12,062. So you will write the number here in each column. Then you will subtract. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now we will move question number E of question 5. Here 4,37,956 minus 4,12,524. You will write here number and then you will subtract. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now question F. 7,08,564 minus 7,02,320. You will write the number here and then you will subtract. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 and 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we will do question number 6. The question number 6 given two parts, A and B. First we will do the A part of question 6. The A part of question 6 is subtract 41,536 from 5,74,958. The subtract are given here. We will do subtract, but the number are given here in words. We will write into numbers, then we will subtract. जब भी हमें फ्रॉम दिया हो स्टूडेंट्स, तो हम फ्रॉम से पहले जो नंबर होता है, फ्रॉम के बाद जो नंबर होता है उसको हम पहले लिखते हैं और उसमें से हम फर्स्ट वाले नंबर को माइनस करते हैं फ्रॉम से पहले वाले नंबर को. तो फ्रॉम के बाद जो नंबर होगा उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे. तो फ्रॉम के बाद हमारा नंबर है 5,74,958. वी विल डू इन नोटबुक. Question 6 is here. You will write the question is here. Now you can see that after from the number is given 5,74,958. So we will write here 5,74,958. Now before from the number are given, subtract the 41,536. So we will write here 41,536. Now we will subtract from here. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 5 minus 3 is equal to 3, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, and 5. So the answer will be 5,33,432. Now question B. Question B is here. Subtract 3,50,300 from 3,82,615. Same as question A. We can see that after from the number are given, the number is given 3,82,615. So we will write first 3,82,615. Question B is given here. We will write the question, then we will write first 3,82,615, and before from the question the number is given 3,50,300. So we will write here 3,50,300. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So the answer will be 32,315. I hope you will be understand well. Now we will do question number 7. The question number 7, part A, B, C are given here. We will do all the parts. Question A part of question 7 is, if the mind is equal to 42,379 and the subtrahend is equal to 12,124, then find the difference. We all know that difference equals to mind minus subtrahend. So in notebook we will write the question like the given in book. So we will write the question here in notebook. Then we can see that the mind equals to 42,379. So we will write here mind 42,379. Then we will subtract subtrahend from mind. So we will write here subtrahend. Subtrahend are given. Subtrahend is given 12,124. So we will write here 12,124 as subtrahend. And we all know that mind minus subtrahend equals to difference. So we will write. So we will subtract the subtrahend from mind to find out the difference. So we will subtract. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So the answer will be 30,255 as difference. Now question number B is, if the subtrahend equals to 83,621 and the mind equals to 7,95,878, then find the difference. So we all know that mind minus subtrahend equals to difference. So we will write here first mind 7,95,878 as mind. Then we will write subtrahend. Subtrahend is given 83,621 as subtrahend. Now we will find out the difference. We will subtract subtrahend from mind. So we will write here, we will subtract from here. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 and 7. So the difference will be 7,12,257. I hope you will be understand well. Now we will do question number C, part C of question 7. Subtract from 4,49,271 from 2,59,895. We will do subtract here. We can see that after from the number is given 2,59,895. So we will write here 2,59,895 first. Then we will subtract 49,271. So the difference will be, we will subtract from here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, 9 minus 9 is equal to 0, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 2. So the answer will be 2,10,624. So exercise 5th is complete. All of you students, you will do this exercise in your notebook very neat and clean, from like this way. Like this way you will do all the question of 5th in your notebook. Thank you.